you like this?
I like what? Am I your slave?
It's not like you are my slave or something, but as a mother, you don't have to take care of me.
Grown up like you, I have to take care of you. Hey, what's so? Why not come as another? Hey, you laughing? What's really?
Oh, but Mom, I don't have a choice. You want me to hurt my skin? Okay?
That's good. Today we are going to fast. Because I'm not going to the kitchen. I'm tired.
Hey, let's go and buy food. It's as simple as that. Kinky is there. You can buy kinky. Or fufu. Either of them. All we need is to go there with our money.
Having all the foodstuffs home. You want me to give you money to go and buy food outside? Then what is the sense of buying food and keep it home?
That's why I was thinking you would cook it. Me, I'm not in the mood for cooking.
You are still sitting. Waiting for me to cook.
Good afternoon.
Hey, good afternoon, Auntie.
Please, how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm doing good. Papa, how are you? I was just passing by and decided to come and say hi to you.
Thank you.
I hope your daughter is doing.
As you see, she's cooking well.
Is your daughter there? She's fine.
Sir.
Yeah.
Like mother, like daughter.
Like daughter. I wish she's my wife.
Hey!
You people, why are you like this? So anybody you see, you must associate yourself with that person. What's wrong with you? How you wish what?
And what is wrong with that?
It's not nice. He's not supposed to even make this reference. Why should you say this? How you wish thing? How you wish
Hey! What man?
I don't like that, please.
Is that how you?
I don't play. No, I don't do like that. I don't do that kind of thing.
Oh, it wasn't anything serious. Just saying it.
Next time, don't see that again.
What man? Can't you see he's very handsome? Thick, tall.
I don't see him.
You know, such stature is what I want in my family. Yeah? If Asamoah give you son like him, we won't even bother ourselves to take Boatemaa or bodyguard in the house anymore.
What are you talking about?
What am I talking about? You know what I'm talking about?
Me, my child is...
Oh, your child is going to be Kapwepe. I don't want any Kapwepe in my family. I want someone with stature like this.
No. For that one, you don't have to worry. There are more prominent people who have the looks, the station, everything. They are there.
Okay, then bring them. Bring them.
Your daughter
Let's
is
see.
looking down. I'm not that bad.
Asama, don't listen to her. Don't mind her. She don't know what she's talking about. Hey, and when you for Beba say, why nempe? So Beba ni fee.
Okay, mommy, I have to leave, man.
Yeah. Hey.
We just have this.
So what?
Oh, it's okay, it's okay.
All this for us?
Oh, it's okay. Yes. Tomorrow we
Asamoah?
Yeah.
How you won't come for it?
No, it's nothing. Just
yeah.
Talking,
hey. Umpo. He's going to marry you in the future. Yeah. Yes,
this moment.
You call this moment? God bless you and guide you home. Yeah? Extend my greetings to your parents. Okay, hey, Asamoah.
But I'm leaving. Take care.
This is just the beginning.
Mommy, please.
Okay. Okay, son. Bye-bye. Oh, wow. See the way he walk. Asamoah.
Why are you like that?
Hey! I'm like what?
Why should he even entertain him?
Huh. I will entertain him today, tomorrow, and the next day.
Well, Mom, if you want, you can marry him.
You see?
You can marry him.
Hey,
but for me, I don't
I
don't even see him.
Yes, how are you? Fine. How are the kids? They're not nice. Yes. Why? I'm just sick. Yes. Oh, then take them to hospital. For you, they have money, so they have problem. No money. I'm complaining, you two, you are complaining. Oh. Madam, please, today I want onion. How much? I want how much is it? Okay, I want only 2 CDs. I want garden eggs. I want also tomato 2 CDs.
Okay.
Yeah, that's all. Tomato. Hey, tomato is very expensive. 2 CDs.
Yes.
How much is this one?
5 cities.
5 CDs. One. Okay. And I also want
How much?
no, I don't have money.
You won't buy it.
Oh, okay, just make it do 2 CDs. That's one. How much is this one?
1 city.
This one's 1 CD.
Yes.
All the 3 or 1?
What?
You have plenty. Cassava or no?
Plenty.
Wait. Mama, do you have pepper?
Yes.
How much is this? This one is kilo pepper.
Kilo pepper. 2 cities.
Okay, then. I have everything. So,
They no bed.
oh,
You want to take it.
oh, please.
I beg you.
Add one, not money.
How much? You say that you still have money to pay.
Please. I'll pay you back. I don't have money.
Please, I beg you, don't tempt me.
So you're not going to give me?
No. Please.
So you want me and my brother to starve today?
No.
How are we going to survive?
I don't have money.
Please.
Please.
Don't do this to me.
I beg you.
Please.
Please. I beg you.
So you're not giving it to me?
If I have money, I will give it to you. I don't have money.
What, man?
Me.
Where have you been?
I went to visit my friend.
Which of your friends?
Sophia.
Sophia. Every time Sophia. So, can't she advise you to stay home for once?
Yeah, but mom, what have I done wrong? I can't be in the house always. I have to go and visit a friend once in a while.
Say you're coming from Sophia's house, eh? Go and get money from Sophia. Buy tomato, onion, pepper. I've already prepared banku. Come and grind it, then we'll use it with the banku.
Mommy, but what are you talking about?
What am I talking about?
I told you I went to a friend's place, so how do you expect me to go and get onion and all those things?
And you expect me to believe you?
That's
What, man? You are growing, oh. Eh? Wait, let me advise you. Nowadays, the way you go in and out, up and down, is too much. Please, you have to be careful. If you don't take care, if any man touch you, you're going to be pregnant. Pregnancy. Swati? Yeah!
You know, this time round, things are different. I don't know how you see things, but one of the days when you people used to do your things, I don't know, things are not the same. So you have to allow me. I have to explore. It's youthful exuberance, you understand?
But,
so I have to do my own thing.
listen to me. There's a saying. Adia, when you stick wa, ovun, sakwara, or fruko duan konko mukrasa nyakana. If I'm talking, just keep quiet and listen to me. I know where we are coming from. You know our background. We are from very poor family. Even where we are living now, we quite fast when I drive a brain soon. It will be a 70 minutes. They meet me quite a I forced to do. What, man? Please.
Mommy, so do you expect me to be someone like dog or just because we don't have money? It's just not my head to I'm aware of it. It's not nice. This is the time, man. We go clubbing, you go chilling and popping. What do you say? You pay your cost streets, no so you can roll it. Yeah, they.
No, I want to really. I'm a butcher malice. Boatemaa. Shall be you. And my name is so me catch no. Now you don't have anyone who will give you advice. Only me. I'm the only one who can advise you. My dear daughter, please listen to me. Hey, you're ready to go see. I'm saying I'm here for my student. I do sometimes be what. You're not. Hey, yeah. Who dog me? So hey.
Hi.
Hi.
Really? This is like I enjoy your drink so much. How I wish I could. We enjoy together. And I have a sip of your drink.
No, please. I don't do that. I don't take drinks with strangers.
Oh, okay. May I know your name?
Why would you like to know my name?
Because you're looking more pretty and look very awesome. Beautiful, and you just need to know.
I'm Boatemaa.
Boatemaa. Wow. This is a very Akwasi day. Boatemaa. Why really like living alone in a bar?
That's what I prefer. I'm cool with that, so.
So, can we sit in a normal place so that I can call the waitress to serve us so that we can have a good talk and take more drinks and enjoy ourselves together?
Please, with all due respect, I can take care of my bills. If you just know, if I had wanted to come here with someone, you'd have seen someone by me. I prefer to be alone.
I wouldn't say you can pay your bills. I know pretty girls like poor better and a lot of money. As for us, big boys don't have anything. So don't feel like where is the waitress? I need something to drink. Are you good name? I need something that can make to. What is it? Waitress, where are you? I need something to drink. Where is the waitress? I need something to cool my head. Hey! Here, Charlie. Charlie, me, I can be a show one. If you free till number one.
Oh, I mean, you give me with some free.
You said you don't talk to strangers. So now why are you looking at my face?
Why are you also looking at me?
I'm looking at you because you're beautiful. Can I help you? I know you can be sometimes you don't see me or what. Let me say. I just want to make you feel okay. It's like you're taking it. Looking beautiful. Yeah. So, how do you feel now? Okay, lovely.
So what did you say your name was?
My name is Akwasi. Yeah. But honestly speaking, you know yeah. You have a boyfriend. That's why we are here. If you wouldn't mind someday I become your boyfriend, would you be happy with that? 'Cause, you know, I don't want to be a boyfriend. You know, you have to be happy. 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 You know, you have
What did you say?
I said you something. Oh, you like good boys.
No, I broke boys.
You don't like good boys.
I
Yeah. So I can afford the 3 square meal a day. That's what I got to do.
What I didn't like sleep
I can see.
sky.
I can see you're getting more to see.
I'm home.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm fine.
Yeah. You're feeling more to see.
I'm not tipsy, so you're tipsy. And not tipsy. Oh, wait, you told me.
Sure. I saw you dance and you dance very well. I must recommend you. You know how to dance. What is this? I can see your feelings. So should I take you home?
I'm gonna go home.
Alright. Which is Owen. Let me.
Where's my drink?
No. Forget about it. Just. Chill, I call the card in my mouth. Just there. Come on. Slow. Yeah, come card.
Wait.
Okay, I know. Okay, cool. Okay, then let's go. Let me give you this, right? Sorry. Oh, just chill. Everything will fit for you. That's beautiful.
If I saw you, what's so funny?
Oh, not even high.
High for what? What do you need high for?
If you don't know this. You're acting as if you don't know anything.
What do I know? Like, why are you
Come
behaving like
on,
this?
baby.
Who's your baby? Me. Are you dreaming?
Sometimes you shock me. You shouldn't be acting like this.
Gentleman, respect yourself, okay?
You know I love you. And I've been doing a lot of things for you.
So is that why you stopped me?
Do you love
I'm
me?
quite so call me, babe. It's me, actually,
Oh,
don't touch me!
You shouldn't be doing this. Hey. You shouldn't be doing this.
So
I love you. I've been doing a lot of things
I
for you.
don't care whether you do whatever. Is that okay?
Everything I do.
Can I watch it? Are you mad?
What, man?
Are you mad? How dare you touch my bottles? Are you okay?
Did you just slap me?
Of course, you saw me. If you repeat it, I'll slap you 10 times. Stupid boy.
What, man?
Is your mama around?
And because you're kicking me, so I didn't show okay.
What you must do to kill as a king. But my palm, when you're palm, pass up at the end, you are probably on. Let's send a carry fee. What my human? Now, me born me and you what who jam me? Who am I supposed Hey, you know what you know.
Yeah.
What's my looking? Hope you're doing good.
She's always good. Don't mind.
Hey!
I tell you, Abena. Bra. I can say. Who are you? I tell you, dear. I can see the boss Canada for salmon. One when you pan I want to do there. We must have about some of this in no choir. Quite a crowd be the purple summer. No, why? Oh, Debbie, not the joke there. Put it on some of the white. I make out. I go see any. Bye bye. Never go, bro. See, you have to allow me to. No, it's okay. The little man coming to give us. 5 CDs maybe. Hey. Hey, what's that? Yeah. She was having malaria yesterday. I think it's not part of thinking right now. Oh, no. What you're thinking? She was complaining. Feverish yesterday night. Are you sure? Yeah. I still feel cold. Headache. I said, idiot, and I need to know. So. What are you talking about? What Boatemaa is doing? I'm suspecting kind of pregnancy. Hey! How, what's your problem? Then how? No, what right do you have over me? Or who am I to you? I have no relationship with you, so I don't even need your involvement. Send me mommy to work as an adult. I say what you are thinking. What you are thinking? Oh, excuse me. Boatemaa. You can't talk to someone like that. Mommy, you have been tolerating this guy. I just don't like it. You can't talk to him like that. Why can't I talk to him? So for him, he can talk to me like. Asim, please talk to Boatemaa and find better treatment for whatever it is. Asim. She had malaria. Tomorrow morning, first thing first, I'll take her. Okay, let's just take this morning. And go and buy her some. Yeah, some more. Some more. I don't know what to say. Hey, all this. Just go and buy her the medicine. And please, Boatemaa, don't joke with my heart. Boatemaa, please. I hate it. I know you don't have anyone apart from me. So I don't want to hear any news. No, I want to understand something. What do you think of me? Me holding. I don't have anyone. No, me holding. Me holding. What's the sense? Mama, me get mummy and massa moon. Don't get me. Are you trying to tell me that you haven't seen whatever I'm doing? Seen what? Boatemaa? No, mommy. Are you blind? You have to say. No, are you blind? There's a penny do Boatemaa. Maybe they have me who. Boatemaa, if you are talking to someone, take care, because he is going to be your husband. So, mom, you have to set the whose husband? Me. You. Never. So far as I'm alive, Asamoah is going to be your husband, your future husband. Oh, you can marry him, mom, if you want. I forgot the money that he's beginning all the time. That's why he's been giving it to you. What was somebody's girlfriend and something? But you eat from it. I use the same money, buy foodstuffs. Mom, hey, Asamoah, sorry, Asamoah. So I mean, no, don't talk too much. Upon all the money, all the gifts, all the shopping, you are still telling me that you don't have anything to do with me and blah 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 blah. No, let me ask you a question. Stop asking questions. You can't shout at me. Oh, sorry, I didn't know my band. Mate, I don't like it. I've been giving you gifts. I've been shopping for you. Even the clothes you are wearing right now, I bought it for you. You bought it for me. And I make a son I want to know. Yes. After the mission, me mammy. And a ton your mammy. As to where and whatever onion is cafe, and I said, yes, you know it. Hey, I don't know anything. Don't pretend. Hold on. Don't stress. Hey, don't stress. For your information, this particular dress, Asamoah bought it for you. I don't know. I use my own money. Mom, you bought it for me. Asamoah bought it for you. It's for Asamoah. And for me. Why don't touch me. Ungrateful. Huh? Boatemaa. Umpo. Asamoah is going to be your future husband. The lion. Boatemaa, what did I just see? What were you doing? Vomiting. You were vomiting, eh? Oh. Wait.
Mom.
Hey,
No,
what
why
ma?
did you do this?
What ma? Wait.
And Simon will be married.
Hey.
Like, I don't get it. Mom, what are you doing?
So, then allow me.
Allow you do what?
Allow me to check you. I want to check your pulse. What ma? What am I hearing? What ma? Where did you get this from? Tell me. And how? Where? When? And who is responsible, my dear? Who is responsible? What ma? Who show your brother what the TV has said? What ma? You don't confirm any. Hey!
Mom, I don't even know what you're talking about. I'm not feeling well.
What ma? Me say, when you are pregnant. Yes.
Me.
Tomorrow morning, first thing first, your urine, we are taking it to the hospital. You are pregnant if you don't know. How can
I get pregnant? Me, I don't know what you're talking about. Me, you know what you're talking about. I'm not pregnant.
Yeah,
you're right, Kiki. Now maybe I meet you. Be a there to me. Come, baby. I did.
What ma? See what you've brought to Boatemaa. Hey!
Boss. Chin. Never cease to amaze me. What is so special about this particular girl that you are so worried about?
You don't understand the girl. You don't understand it. I entered. I know what I entered. She's so beautiful, so sweet, so elegant. There is something in this girl that I just want to. I just want to get in contact with her again.
I still don't understand what you're saying. You see, you just pick a random girl, had a one-man stand with the person, and then you are dying for her.
She's not a random girl. You see, when you see a random girl, you know that this one is a random girl. When you take her out, you see some. That's the way I met her, and the way she was dancing, and the way she was doing her things and then stuff. Doesn't look like somebody who is a random girl.
Okay, let me ask this. Where did you meet her?
I met her at the club.
It's a nice show, so forget about her.
No, you can't just understand what I'm saying. She's not a show. She's not. She's not. I'm going crazy. I wish I could find this girl. I love her so much. Why did I even leave her in the room in the first place? Why should I?
Okay. So now, you give me her details.
I think one stupid thing I did is I didn't take any details. We just spoke and I just told her I am Akwasi. That's all. And she said I am Boatemaa. And I didn't ask her say name.
You see,
nothing, no telephone number, nothing. I'm going crazy.
So you see what
I wish I could find her.
No. We meet a random girl. Look at the one man stand. We need to forget about this girl. Let's move on. I don't know what is wrong with this. There are so many pretty girls out there. I can't even get through one, boss.
You don't understand that. This girl is somebody that I gave her money. She rejected the money in front of me at the club.
Really?
Yes, when I get tipsy before going to bed with me, we just enjoyed ourselves. When I left in the morning, she was asleep. That was the mistake I did. And I wrote a note for her. But I didn't put my number on the note.
Wow.
That was my mistake.
This will be tough.
And I've been going to the hotel 1,000 times number to check their records if she has come there or to come to look for me or something like that. Nothing of sort.
That is what I'm saying. Maybe she has moved out. She has moved from town to. You see, these Ashawo girls, they don't stay at one place. The moment you are done here, I went to different locations.
I'm dying. Boatemaa, come, let me find you. I'm dying. I want to see you. I want to talk to you. I just want to hug you again. I just want to love you again.
By chance took a selfie or you
I didn't do anything. I don't do such a thing. I didn't know what to do. I'm going crazy.
This will be tough for us.
I'm going crazy.
The only thing you know about her is
and then what's my? But if I see her now, I can recognize her because I capture her face very well, and I notice her body perfume, her body scent, and how lovely she is when she was. I'm going crazy.
What's
Please,
not okay?
What's
you,
not come?
Don't worry.
Show me where you are. Let me come for you. I'm going crazy.
Are you crying? Boss, you should know something. Sorry. Don't worry. I have some IT.
I wish I could see her once more. I'm going crazy. You don't understand it. I don't know why I'm feeling this thing in me that I need to see this girl again.
I understand you now, so please calm down. Relax, okay? Everything will be okay. No. Please.
You don't understand what I'm going through. You don't get what I'm going through. You don't get it. You don't really get it. You don't really get it.
I have gotten you, so please. You see, I have IT friend. I have like 3 guys, very good in IT. So I will contact them and let's see the way forward. If they will be able to
do that thing for me,
I will do everything for you. So please.
If you help me find her, I don't know what I'll do. I don't know what I don't know.
Relax, boss. It's okay. I'll talk to them and hopefully we will find something better for you. So please relax, okay?
Boatemaa, I want to meet you again.
What is this Boatemaa?
No, mommy. I told don't and castle grandpa. You can't take me for a fool. Me. Now, only me. I will say more for them. Upon everything I did. I'm showing. So no be sure. No one but one will not be sure that. I never told me.
So I can't do that.
Upon everything.
You are the only in-law I know.
So I did this.
What is the name of this?
I did this.
I said you're the only in-law I know.
No. So I did this.
I don't know.
Who quite a person make a wasm? One person make a wasm. Oh, be Jenna. Oh, you're mine. Okay, can't say much.
Wait. Sometimes you behave like I didn't know you were like this.
You
someone you of all people. And also, tell me, is that why you stopped bringing us money? Don't you know my child is starving?
you can tell me this.
Of course, because I don't know, you are doing a voluntary service.
I don't blame you. I blame your mother. But trust me, even this place you are staying right now.
Hey, Asama, please. Asama, don't do this.
Asama,
don't do this to us.
I will show you where the power.
Hey, you won't show us anything.
Boatemaa,
Mommy, let me control. And yes, say you want to make time make come out in true beer. Maybe you are buying the power can go so far. Me manage me
wait, don't test my patience. What the make? Don't try. Don't try.
Until by woman, like what are you trying to do?
I am a control. Make sure 2 years Nkrumah.
Asama, please.
For everything I did.
Asama, please.
Shopping, security, what's
the agreement? Only make agreement, Ama. Into onya way. We have some people who will be into money. Nyame do ho asori on.
Utimi kasa nine say. Utimi
The
kasa
night and day. Ade we ye adoye. Boatemaa,
can you do more?
Very good.
I
will show you where
Sure, meaning say crowns may be so better. They didn't never console. Why?
Please. Mommy, then you maintain maybe a show. So upon the gift, upon the shopping, upon the money, you knew say Obama or Bitata. And yes still, when I break
Asama, can I ask something? Have you ever touched her?
Yeah.
Hey.
Did your daughter ever give me the chance to even talk to her?
So you haven't done anything with her?
No. And you know it. Don't pretend. Stop pretending. Stop pretending.
No, Asama.
What's the meaning of all this?
Are you telling me someone named Yashi?
Asamoah, is that how you are?
Maybe why baby?
No, me actually don't know me no point in but you know so me to know. Since your family don't stop for me hasing no. So what me have me then? You touch her bombs. Yes, mom.
And after that, pregnancy.
Don't you know?
I want family to be like you are taking me for a fool.
No.
That's how she thinks. I watch my hair. Look at all this.
It's no issue, eh? Are you wine?
Okay.
Oh.
I'm giving you
That's why I said that.
I'm just giving you guys 3 days. You come to move here. Yeah. Make 3 hands in elbow. Make just give me 3 days. Make 3 hands in elbow. Don't touch me.
Hey, mommy,
me wrong. What think I'm talking with you?
Do you know I'm about Unipa?
That's the kind of me spend on you guys, you know. Undi am commit my. Oh, excuse me. Undi the scan commit me die. Do you know that kind of amount of them commit me die?
Asama, please.
What?
I'm really surprised that.
What is scam?
I'll report you to the police.
Scammers.
I'll report you to the police. So, have you seen what you brought? Hey, if you don't stop, have you seen what you brought? Have you seen what you have caused? Now, you have to vacate this house.
We are not going anywhere.
You are not going anywhere. Tell me, who impregnated you? Tell me. What, man? You're going to tell me, oh. You're going to tell me, oh. Huh? You think I'm joking? You're going to... This guy is standing here saying he has not even touched you. Touching someone on the road means he has slept with you. Huh? You're going to tell me that's who pregnant you, who impregnated you. You're going to tell me.
I don't know.
What about? Who's your boyfriend?
Mommy, I don't have a boyfriend.
You want to tell me a girl like your type, you don't have a boyfriend? And so who impregnated you?
That's where the problem is.
Hey.
I don't know.
Hey.
I don't know.
So now, you are Virgin Mary, right? Giving birth to Jesus Christ. You are second Virgin Mary. What are you talking about? You don't have a boyfriend. It's not a Samoa. You don't know who impregnated you. What are you telling me?
Joe. I didn't what I repeat is I do. Mr. Machine, also machine before 7 o'clock. Baba do machine be any here. Huh? Baba, I didn't throw the project. Oh, my God, I didn't throw. Machine way. Joe, Saturday, what's going to complain you? Me pesa e go repeat Saturday. Me hear them as soon as possible. I didn't.
What do you feel?
Me hear them. Yes, come and do that thing and let's move on. Project ebe yesu. Ya ibe ya bi kese. Hospital o gasa de ko. Background obi na ya di nkomo akire. One na power acho. Come and do that thing, let's move on.
Please.
Don't joke with a business.
Don't
business.
Do us. Please. Hey.
Do you know that kind of amount involved with this kind of project? You are delaying things. Don't joke with money. Yeah. I'm waiting for you. It's about 30 minutes now or 40 minutes. Yeah, I have to see you here. What sort of nonsense is that? Business there. I don't want any interruption when it comes to business. Please.
My in-law.
But that in-law, someone will come. Stop saying that. Please, I'm not your in-law. I don't know you. I don't know you from anywhere. So please.
Oh, is this particular house we're talking about?
Yeah, but make it just a beton.
Hey!
Housemate. Make it just a beginning no trouble.
So are you serious?
I'm more than serious.
Hey, that's so sad out here.
Oh, come on, very so be so Papa. Oh, so there's how Baba so man. See they make an yo.
What man?
Miss so if you have your belongings, so what on person you be beginning in Africa.
So
You are beginning in Africa. You pay and best to bonus.
I'm
not talking about any pregnancy. I said remove everything you have here and leave. You buy project.
Where do you want us to go? We don't have any place to go.
Let's come as the same because Nkrumah doors. They say the crow a Adjoa. Now go baby from. Condition you want for. Oh, said mama me. Me boss I told about that. I have a talk right every year hospital. Hospital every no. It's more than one. The empese baby jene machine be blue hana.
Hey.
That's what we call it. Hello. Aha. Me udu Dacosta junction. On ta akutukwa na enye no. Ye be dwa free ho na ade aba. Ah, ejuri udu Dacosta junction. Aha, sa ho na audio du wa fast. Na me pay delays me mom delay me se me chewa ha. Why?
Aso.
Am be se me chewa.
Aso.
Me pay delays to amoya me sasa ni mo nyem free a. Me se mo. Na enye yi.
Aso please.
Hey, me
Can you give us 1 week?
Hey, show me my boss for me paying. Hello boss. You know, certain women be in all the office or distracting a man or yeah, be part. Oh, don't know, yeah, when you mamma be or what any you be. So, this person can want us up a pound. I come my mom with the machine so well. Sir, okay. Mate. Oh dear, what's the other Mate? Right. Mate.
Hey, ready. I mean, show boss. Ya me to boss in one name. Ya me show boss.
Ya be your church now. To my butu no. Oh, ya do church now.
Aso to be.
Hello, Michael. Aha. What am hold one kakra. Mungude ha munko yadim. Munfo machine ko yadim na. If you boss obey scout ni me biasa.
Hey.
Mate. Okay. For your information, early tomorrow morning, pack your things and leave before even my boss will come here.
Asabo, why are you doing this to us?
What am I doing?
Is it my fault? It's not my fault. Why are you doing this to us?
Oh yeah, what you said, you money here. Some of them
no.
But yeah, bro, what you?
I've not had it. Send him and me need any idea about what man did. You can so know nothing you say. Me so no.
We send him.
Me send him and him who
be free. We send any minute. Yeah, I'm be free. Tell me some the traces of the case.
This is about don't do this to me.
I mean,
don't do this to me.
I'm not doing anything. I'm watching up.
Asaba, please. Would you buy Bosume? Please.
Bosume.
Misro.
What's the musical?
Asaba, Misro.
What's your mom? I bet you say.
Asaba,
Misro.
That's your daddy.
I'm dim.
Aso. dear someone by your say. Boatemaa. But how do you want come here someone as you say you to if you say? As somebody great up for about it. Oh, baby, drift here, you know.
Ain't fine if you been.
The boss. He's our savior. The boss. And I stop for someone training. I'm watching her. Oh, man, I'm that what? Oh, Dr. Baba.
As someone a day go for big dream.
Have you seen what you brought?
How?
Yes.
As someone with me for that extent.
They have given us just what they. Boatemaa. I always talk to you. I advise you. Have you seen what it costs? In the beginning, I was thinking maybe your pregnancy is for as a boy. Not knowing from nowhere to be found person. But where are we going to live? For this pregnancy. But never think about mosquitoes. But hey.
For me, I don't have anywhere to go. Then it's better they come and then do away with all of us. And wondering because I don't have anywhere to go. Me going, yeah fine. Mommy, young ko baby ya. Omubra ma say omusha senipa. It's them hana sumbeji ya togo munji yen tungo. What is the meaning of all these? Bonnie babe.
Mommy, I was sick. Today sick, tomorrow sick. You expect me to sleep outside under bridge in the market? Why do you expect me to sleep, Boatemaa? We don't have money to rent a house. We don't have time. As a boy is the only person who supports us. And now, see what you've caused. See yourself. Ow. Ow. God.
It's not deliberate. You said don't say if you are find some brother. I've been thinking about this every second, every minute. I don't know how it happened. I mean, it's moving. Things not coming me off. I just don't know.
Stop telling me that. Who is the father of yours, Obon child?
I don't know.
How you don't know? Did someone drag you? What have you? What have you, Papa? What have you? What have you?